We live in a phenomenal moment in the history of the planet. We are witnessing profound change in the way the planet functions and how humans are shaping its future. At the same time, a proliferation of new tools and technologies allows us to measure those changes and understand their consequences. In the middle of the Pacific, the Hawaii Institute of Marine Biology is actively training the next generation of scientists to harness the power of these technologies in a month-long summer course in partnership with the Schmidt Ocean Institute. With their newfound skills, these students will be poised to take the collective steps to understand and develop solutions to advance marine science and future ocean health.
So if you think about marine science in general, it's only been 50 to 60 years since we've been able to explore underwater in the first place with the advent of things like scuba. But even then, we're bringing back very little data and information about the changes we were seeing out there. What's happened in the last decade is truly incredible. We can take camera equipment down there and create three-dimensional maps of the reef that are just like a terrestrial ecologist walking through a forest. We can bring that back to the lab and start asking deeper questions to understand very complicated problems.
What's great about the Hawaii Institute of Marine Biology is that we have such great access to the reefs, I would say unparalleled access to reefs for an institute like we are. And it allows us to bring the students directly into the field and have them both have the lab experiences and the field experiences. So for the summer course, it's kind of an ideal place to do this sort of work where you can get it all in one day. You can go out in the field in the morning, come back for lunch, and then work with the technology in the lab in the afternoon.
Right now we're in a really exciting era. Technology is expanding in so many different ways. There's allowing us to answer questions that we've never been able to answer before. And it's really helping not only empirical but also applied research. So it's really an important time for marine science and marine conservation and joining the technology and innovation that is being created to inform on a lot of different species across taxa is really fun and exciting for these students and certainly for myself as a researcher.
I was really excited about this course because it's building upon some of the tools and skills that I already had in my back pocket, but also opening me up to things that I'm really interested in, things like satellite imagery, and kind of broadening out those skill sets into different technologies that are new to me, but really applicable to the research that I'm wanting to do.
This course has been absolutely amazing, connecting with others and being able to discuss our different research backgrounds and how we can learn from one another in our different fields. It's been really cool, especially in the last module, learning about remote sensing and how to look at that area of interest without actually physically being there.
So just having those different worldviews as well as different areas of interest, or even some that have similar interests but are tackling their questions in different ways. Being able to see that has been able to help develop and refine some of my questions and interests to hopefully do better science.
With their newfound skills, these students will be poised to take the collective steps needed to understand how humans are changing our ocean ecosystems and develop solutions to advance marine science and future ocean health. With ongoing training of the next generation of marine scientists, the future of ocean health will look brighter.